Hello YouTube. I want to show you today how to remove and replace the strut for a Ford Edge. This one is a 2024 Ford Edge. The strut is bent, as you can see, it's in an accident, and I need to remove this strut. So I'm going to be showing you how to remove it. And what you need, this is a 14mm bolt. We're gonna take this off. This is a 10mm bolt right here. We'll take this off. Then we're gonna take this out. This is 24mm bolt and nut. There are two of them, one here and another one down there. As you can see my hand here, there are two of them. We're gonna take this off. We'll take this off. This is 14. This is a 10. We'll take this off, and then when we take that off, we'll go to here. So to get to this bolt, there are 3 bolts here. To have easy access to it, we're gonna need to remove this cowl grill here, and this one is a 5/8, I believe. It's more like a plug. Not like a plug spanner I'm gonna use there, 5/8. That one is broken right. I'm gonna use that there also. Once we will unscrew this, we'll take out these wiper, the wipers, and on both sides, then we can pull this. These are some clips here. One right here, which I'm removing. You can see this one and this one right here. Those clips hold it, and ones that hold it to the body. So you just take off those clips. We'll take off those clips and keep them somewhere so we don't lose them, and then we'll lose this, take this out, and then this will go. Then we'll have access to that place. We'll take this out. That's out. Then we can pull this. That's a little stuck, but it's doing. We don't need to use force. Let's do it the American way. We use force on that one too, and then I'll take out the other side. Let's do this. So that's out also. The wiper blades are out, so we need to detach some of this. There are a few things that it has a few things there which we need to push out. Some things are, see that thing there, that needs to go. Push that in. Yeah, that's out. And then there is another one on the other side which needs to go. So that pin also comes out. I believe there should be 2 on that side also, but because it's damaged, we just do it and we slide this to the side, so that gives us room. Then once we have this on one side, next we need this. We need to take out this one also. We need to take this out so we can have that access. Yeah. So let's see. Once that cowl is out of the way, yeah. Yes, that's the bolt right there. That's the third one right here. So we have 1, we have 2, and there's a third one there. All right, let's do this. Okay, so to get to these bolts properly, so we can have enough space, we need to take this out also. This is the inner cowl, and there are 3 bolts. This is, yes, there are 8 bolts. There's one here, right here, which you can see. This one, there is this one, and there is this one right here, Yes, so those are the three that's holding it in place, I believe. Yes, so and then on that side too there should be three, but because it's broken, as we take these three out, the thing should be out of the way. So I have my 8 on the ratchet. It is out of the way. That's one down. That's another one. Okay. Number 2 down. Number 3. Once those are out of the way, that's 3. Yeah. We have those 3. So this is out of the way now. There is also something here that's a wire that's attached to it. You only need to just detach that. So take that out. So that's out of the way. Then we have our distance here. Now we have access to this place. We have the 3. This is 1 right here. This is 1 right here. And that's 1 right there. So this is 1 right here. This is the second one, and that's the 3rd one right there. So, and I believe those are 13. Yes, they are 13 millimeters, which you can easily. Then I'm gonna go here underneath here and loosen all these ones here. This is a 10. This one is a 10 millimeter bolt. I'm holding that. That one is pretty easy to remove. We'll take that out. That's for that. This is a 14. Now to remove this one here, this one has because it's the one holding this tie rod. See this rod here? Yes, this tie rod ends is the one holding it. So you're gonna need to use a 3/4. It's a 3/4 to hold it right here, because it's gonna keep turning. And then you need a H6X head like this type. So what you need to put here. So once you put this here, you're gonna hold this one down this way, and then you will use one hand to hold it and one hand to turn this one, like I'm doing. That's the way. That's the only way by which this one is gonna come out. So you can see, because if you don't do that, that thing is just gonna keep turning inside there. So that one is actually a 3/4 with an H6X head in order to take that out, otherwise it's not gonna come out. It's pretty easy to remove, it's not hard, but you just need to have the right tool to do that. So you're gonna do it like this till it comes out. So that's actually a 3/4, not a 14. So that's what you're gonna keep using. So you keep doing that. You can see that is out now. So you can take this out. we sit that on one side and we take this bolt out, so that way we can get this one out of the way, as you can see. So that is out of the way, then we can remove this one we have here, because yeah, you can take that out. This is the one I'm talking about, see that? Yeah, so this has to come out, but because this is bent, we can't get that out from there, but everything is gonna come out in a minute. So, but at least that's loose now. The one above is loose, then we need to take off these two right here. So I'm gonna put the 24 spanner here to hold this. Yep. Then I will use the high power my hair ratchet to. I will use that to try that. So that's a little bit tough, but that thing is that bolt is kind of tough to. It's kind of tough not to crack, but we. That one came out. She's that one. It's a little tough. And then the next one, which is the last one down there also. That one too is yeah, this is out of there. And this one here we need to probably eat that to come out, because it's really becoming, it's kind of a little tough not to crack there. So, well, if it doesn't want to cooperate, let's do it the American way, use force. So that's out. You can pull this forward, you can see, pull that forward, and then we can drag this out of here. So these are 13. One, two, and the third one there. So to remove the third one, the ratchet wouldn't fit, so I mean the box spanner wouldn't fit, so I'm using the ratchet to manually take that out. Yeah, that's done. So that's out, and then you can see, I think you heard the pin snapped. As you can see, it came right up by itself once it's snapped. So that's pretty much it. So we can go get a new one, and then I'll come back and install that. This one, that one's pretty much damaged. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video.